Hey, how's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, on location in Mason, Ohio, where Squirt and I have 3 opportunities back to back to back, almost in the same neighborhood. Today is the first day that she and I will actually be working in tandem. She's gonna be working on all the concrete, and I'm gonna be washing this house. Currently, she is getting the water hooked up, then she's gonna work on property protection. In the meantime, I'm going to pre-treat her concrete areas and then begin washing. We really appreciate you watching. If you have not already liked and subscribed and hit the bell tab, be sure to do that. Also leave a comment. All of that helps the channel and we greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so you'll notice I have 2 ankle weights here equaling 2 pounds, and that's because she will be using the 10 GPM machine. That's too many GPMs for a 19-inch whisper wash, but this is a quite steep driveway and I'm gonna let her get broke in using the easier 19-inch whisper wash as opposed to the 31-inch Mini Mondo. Notice that they left the porch lights on after having been given multiple instructions to keep them off. That's all right, we'll work around it. The wind is insane. It's about 40 degrees. You'll notice I'm wearing gloves. That's rare. Squirt is wearing gloves as well. And it's crazy, but we're getting it done. We will also be washing this patio area. So in advance of her making her way around from the driveway to the back of the house, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat every single element. By the time she gets back here, it'll be ready to wash. All right, so here we are on this roof, taking care of this chimney. Could not get this from the ground. The wind is just blowing way too much. Have the 12 volt set up with about 3% mix. I also hit certain areas of the concrete as well that were really tough. Everything came out fantastic. Super proud of Squirt. Just as it starts to hail a little bit, we've got severe storms moving in, and we've got 2 more washes. She did wonderfully on the concrete, both in the front and the back. And as icing on the cake, we picked up this house wash and all that concrete as well. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. Man, we're freezing to death right now. If you have not liked and subscribed, be sure and do that. It means a lot to us. Trying to build up the channel to about 9,000 followers or subscribers or whatever they're called. And it's just fun. It's just a journey and we enjoy it. All right, for Squirt, my name is Mike. I am The Fresh Rinse and we are out.